Hey y'all, welcome back to Everyday Mama. I'm Leanne, and today I'm in the kitchen showing you how to make 2-ingredient fudge. Let's get started. The first thing you will need is a pan lined with Saran wrap. The first ingredient you will need is a jar of your favorite peanut butter. Take the lid and seal off the peanut butter, place it in the microwave, and set the timer for 1 minute. Using a pot holder, retrieve the peanut butter out of the microwave when the minute is over and pour the peanut butter, now in liquid form, into a bowl. The second ingredient you will need is a jar of your favorite vanilla icing. Remove the lid and seal from the icing, place it in the microwave, and set the timer for 1 minute. Again, using pot holders, retrieve the icing, now in liquid form, and pour it into the bowl with the peanut butter. Next, you will mix the ingredients together. I love the marbled look. Now, pour the mixture into the lined pan. Place the pan in your refrigerator for at least 30 minutes for it to set. You will know the fudge is ready when you place your finger on it and it feels more solid and it easily comes away from the side of the saran wrap. Cut into small squares, or you could even use cookie cutters to make shapes. After you have it all sliced, it's time to eat.
All right, so let's go ahead and try this. Oh, yeah, that's so good. It's creamy, and it's so much easier than the 5-ingredient one. I mean, you've got to put in marshmallow cream, vanilla, all that stuff, but all we've got to do here is just icing and peanut butter, and it tastes the same. If you get yourself some Dollar Tree tins at Christmas time, now you've got Christmas presents for your teachers, your coworkers, and this is just a great snack anytime. So let me know in the comments below if you make this. There's also a chocolate one. You just put in chocolate icing. I hope you enjoy making this with your family, and until next time, wishing you lots of simplicity, progress, and joy. Bye!